I want to tell you a secret. There's something that's often overlooked but essential for your recovery. For years, the fitness industry has been drilling home the idea of no pain, no gain. But the science tells us otherwise. It's not just about how hard you train. It's about how well you recover. Because without proper recovery, you're not building muscle efficiently. You're increasing your injury risk. And honestly, you're probably not getting the most out of your workouts. Recovery isn't just about taking days off. It's about incorporating it within your workouts. That's why at TurnFit, I recommend dynamic rest sets instead of just sitting around between exercises. What's a dynamic rest set? It means instead of standing around on your phone between sets, you're actively working on improving your mobility and posture and getting the most out of your muscle activation. Here's how you can do it. Foam rolling. This is a game changer for muscle recovery. By rolling out tight muscles during rest periods, you're increasing blood flow, releasing tension, and preparing your body for the next movement. Next up, a lacrosse ball. This is one of the best tools for targeting those deep knots and tight spots. Just by pressing it against a wall or a floor, find a tender spot on those muscles, hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. It's like getting a massage without needing an appointment. Another powerful tool, resistance bands. These are perfect for improving mobility and range of motion. A few light stretches between sets can activate and stimulate those muscles, helping you prevent injury and making sure you're getting the most out of every single repetition. The benefits of this approach are huge. Faster muscle repair, better flexibility, reduced soreness, and even improved posture. And the best part, you don't have to add extra time to your workouts. It's just about using those rest periods smarter. The next time you train, don't just sit there scrolling on your phone. Grab a foam roller, a band, a lacrosse ball, and actively work on your recovery. Your body will thank you. If this helped you, drop a comment below, share with somebody who needs it, and hit the follow button for more fitness tips